How to hide an Instagram post from one person. If you're trying to hide an Instagram post from just one person, here's the truth. Instagram does not let you hide a regular post from only one specific person. So yeah, you have to use some smart workarounds. There are 3 ways to do it. Option 1. Block them, strong but obvious. In Instagram, go to their profile. Then tap the 3 lines. Scroll down and tap blocked option. After that, tap the plus icon. Choose the person and tap block. They won't be able to see your profile or posts at all, but yeah, they'll know. Option 2. Use close friends for stories only. Add only selected people to your close friends list. Share your story. Choose close friends option. That one person won't see it. Then tap done and share your story. Option 3. Remove them from followers. Best and clean method. If your account is private, go to your followers list. Then find that person. Tap remove. Now they won't be able to see any of your posts anymore. Got any problems? Drop a comment. Thanks for watching.